Planning an optimized cutting and kitting operation can be a complex and challenging task. The team and I used to spend a lot of time manually creating static nests. Cutting those nests led to material waste, was time-consuming, and often caused us to cut an excessive quantity of unnecessary kits. When I heard about Plataine's FabricOptimizer, I was surprised to see there's a solution that automates the entire cutting and kitting process. Work orders and inventory are imported from my ERP system and nested dynamically according to the real-time requirements and restrictions. All of this is done automatically. With FabricOptimizer, I can create cut plans for all common cutting machines, taking their specific restrictions and file types into consideration. This way, I can utilize all the machines on my shop floor without worrying about a specific machine configuration. FabricOptimizer also provides simple kitting solutions, from simulated reports to ply labeling, all while maintaining a good balance between material utilization and easy kitting. An enterprise with multiple sites can benefit even more from FabricOptimizer. The solution ensures all sites are aligned with the highest production standards. Comprehensive, tailor-made reports can easily be created, providing visibility while comparing between the production site's performance for any required period. Another benefit of the application is that it provides me with an improved remnant strategy, leading to short rolls utilization that otherwise would have been thrown away. FabricOptimizer makes my life easier while bringing automation and savings to the factory. Contact us to learn more.